Welcome back to this channel. In Davis Family Lofts, we got a bit of action happening here. We got the got me grizzle pied, growing up pretty good. Gonna be a mad little bird. Hopefully he'll be able to fly all right this year. That's his sister or brother. That one had a bit of canker about a bit over a week ago, all in his neck, but he's fixed up now. I gave him a couple of tablets. Fixing up pretty quick. We've got that red grizzle. That's this bloke's last round. She's still in the nest. Her brother's out of the nest. But my big fella, the kids call this big fella Red Bull. He's a mealy cockbird, obviously. He's got a baby in there, just hatched out. Another egg chip now. He's giving me some jabs there. Right, we got what have we got over here? We got a single nester. Those ones usually give me those blue barbs, or bronze barbs I call them. The bronze blue bar babies. So unfortunately one egg hatched this time, so it'll be a single nester. The blue bar pieds had 2 more babies, which will be obviously blue bar pieds. But one of them's going to have a lot of white in his wings, you can see. Not that one. That one there, he's got the white, like the bottom feathers, like his flight feathers are going to be white, and up through his top feathers are going to be white too, so he's going to have a nice white tip on him. What else have we got? Those babies there. Generally get a dark checker and a blue bar out of these ones. And that's what we'll get again out of these. Yeah, he's a dark checker, this black. And a little blue bar there. He's very full, the chicks are very full. So the parents are doing alright. Come on. We've just had, it's flooding here in Narra, so we've had a shitload of rain. The lofts are pretty dry considering, so that's good. Not much rain gets in. So that's a bloody good thing. So that'll give me a dark checker and that'll be my little blue bar. Usually throw really good babies. Come here, mate. Go back in your nest, big fella. Look at them healthy, big babies. Look at those. Like little turkeys. Big babies. Parents are doing a good job. They're a bit old, but they do a good job. We've got these ones. Out of my black cockbird and my little where's your little blue checker hen with a bit of bronze through it. They gave me a blue bar last time and a black pied, and then this time they're giving me a blue bar pied. Straight black is the first pure black I've got out this year. It'll be a pure black colour. Looks it. I'll put these pieds back in the corner. Come on. Back in the corner, big fellas. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right, the birds are going mad over. I've just given a bit of sap for a top up. Yeah, they're fighting. Oh, the cockbirds are. Oh, that's a hen fighting a cockbird there. The dark checker's an old hen. She's got cancer on her foot and everything. Still giving that bloody cockbird a run for his money. Look at that. Come on, cut it out. What are you doing up there, big fella? Get out. That's one of my grizzle babies there. So that's that red grizzle's brother. He's left the nest now. Haven't put him over yet. I'll wait a while. One of these chipped out yesterday. Oh, he's a fishing good one, this black mate. He gets right in. Oh, they're both chipped out today, which is good. Yes. One's only just chipped out by the looks of that. I'll leave him. I don't know what's going on with those birds. They're freaking carrying on. So We've got 2 more grizzles here again. I'm going to change this channel to Davis Bloody Grizzle Loss, and if we keep getting grizzles. So it's another red grizzle here. You'll see him, he's got the red right through him. Through his wings and all. Through his chest and through his head and that. And this one here is, sorry, there's a red grizzle and there's a another fairly well dark blue grizzle. He's going to be a chipper pied too, that one. It looks good. He's just a red. He'll turn out nice. They'll turn out nice birds. They always do. That's our mother in there. Come on, I'll put your nest back for you. Come on, back in your nest. Come on, back in your nest. Come on. They're not too bad, these little chicks. They're good little chicks. They're not real they're pretty friendly. So yeah, 2 more bloody grizzles. Pretty stoked with that red grizzle. He's pretty cool. And also with that real dark grizzle, I don't really have super dark grizzles like that, except for me pepperhead one. 2 more youngsters of Bronson. So I'll haul Bronson one's for Tipper, and that's my youngster. They're out of a pure white hen and a blue bar cockbird. That's that pepperhead hen I was talking about. I took her eggs off it other day out of there because they hadn't been filled, and her blue bar cockbird is where is he? The young blue bar cockbird I put in here with her the other day. I haven't seen, that might be him up there. Yeah, that's him up there. Big colour at the back there. You don't need a young bird, but that fella there, that's her cockbird there. Yeah, that's a pied blue bar that froze me the pied. That's a cockbird there. He's a very old bird in, but he's a real good father. That's his hen. That's me cockbird that froze the blue bar, the bronze bar type birds, the blue bar bronzes, and that's his hen there. He's got the bronze through his bar there. He's also got a bit of penciling through him. That's an old gorgeous cockbird, and that's his hen there. And that old pencil cockbird, that's his old hen down there. She's a poor old bugger. She got cancer on one of those. I'm gonna put her down. She still breathes all right and loves it and stuff, but sometimes he tries to bully her in the nest a bit hard, so it's not good. But there's the black cockbird and his hen over the back. She's got the bronze in her wing and the bit of white on her chest and all that sort of stuff. He's got the ticks on his eyes, that black out there. He's got a nice eye, look at his eye. He's got a nice eye on him, that fella, mate. But yeah, that's about it. I showed you that pair, didn't I? That's the pair that own them, the red grizzle and the dark blue grizzle. And the only pair I haven't shown you was his hen, which is just a pure white. So yeah, so their dad is that blue bar, and that pure white hen up there in the bath there. They're up there, and that hen there. So, yep. Alright, we'll go and have a look at those young birds now. Oh, and that grizzle hen there, just there, that one right there closest to us, she's paired up with that mealy cockbird that was sitting on those the little baby there. Been putting runners in my lawn. Get it going again. Starting to take off, which is good. Get it cracking, get the lawn cracking. There's Max, we have to chain him up, otherwise he takes off. He gets out any way as possible, mate. He's crazy. He's an escape artist, ain't he, mate? Eh? And that's George. He's all right, old George. George is 12 years old. So yeah, some more runners here. We've got them all through the yard. Here's the youngsters. What are you doing? Hey, what you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey? The older birds that are bred through winter, all they're bloody interested in doing is bloody tearing up. Oh, look at that red grizzle. That's another red grizzle I've bred. But, yes, we've got heaps of blacks, we've got blue bars, bloody. That yellow, she's a stock bird. She won't be racing this year. He was bred, he was one of the first ones I bred this year. He was bred back in winter. So I've got tomorrow off, so I guess we'll actually scrape their lofts out tomorrow, get a good go at it, because it's been fucking raining every day and so I haven't had much time to do anything, so we'll get them scraped out. But that is the team. Minus that one there, we won't. Oh, I might fly her. We'll see how we go. That grizzly owl, she's a bit older. She's not going to race this year, I don't think. She's not racing. And that old hen at the back there, she's not racing either. But that little cockbirdie will race. And the rest of them they'll be having a go this year. See how they go. We've only got a small club out here at Narrabri, but we're going to try and get it going better and better each year. So yeah, that's about it. I might not let them out for a fly yet because it's still quite early. So, alright guys, I'll see you next time. Take it easy.